Hello, welcome to Noise Rack. I'm Brad, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I already know what this is. I'm going to have to go really shallow with my razor because I do not want to hurt this. Oh yeah. So this is what is called a power distribution unit, or PDU. Basically, you got the one plug that goes into your 240, 50 amp. You can get them different rated depending on what amperage you're running. And this one is 240, 50 amp, and then it breaks off into 8 different power cords. So then you can string along a whole bunch of different rigs. So, yeah, in the next video, I'm going to hook this up. Thanks for watching.